Hello guys, so today I'm installing a few lights for the high beam and low beam on this Scion XB. So usually lights have numbers. It says right here H1 or what is it, HB4, one of those. Let me show it to you. So here we go. This is what actually says H1. It's gonna be high beam, and this is HB4 for this one. Yep, let's go ahead, install it. Okay, so I just show you the lights. So I got this one for 9006. It's a LED, 60 watt, and 1 year warranty. They're claiming 50,000 hours, and the color it's supposed to be I don't remember, but I don't do like really bluish, so I'm trying to do as stocky as possible. This is what comes up. Two lights, and then manual IP67. Have an instruction how to put it on right here. So instruction pretty easy. Comes with a fan, plus and minus, little fan. So it's supposed to be just plug and play. So here we go. Let's put this one aside. Have a QR code. Here is the where you can order them, and I'll hook you guys up with the discount. They're my sponsors today. Here is another set of lights. It's all nice and packaged. So we got someone just backed up to our Xbox. I'm calling it Xbox. Let me get my knife. Knife is my key from the semi-truck. So can show you guys. Before I had a different light, had a different LED bulbs, and everything works just good. Just got messed up. Oh, I never saw this kind of lights. It's like a one-piece aluminum. A really unique one. So I hope everything will fit smooth and we'll be rolling just like this. Let's use a stand. Just like so. Here we go. So here's the lights. Let's see how it's easy and simple to plug and play, just like so. Let me show you guys how it actually goes. Okay, so we install first. It's a HB4. So here's the light. Just twist, pull. Here you go. It's like a plug and play. should be. Let's not try to break it. But because this is the aftermarket light, that's why it's kind of giving a hard time. And we're installing this one, so clips, and let's go ahead and tune it on first to see if it actually works. Okay, it's nice and bright. Let's install it right there. So it have like 3 ways here, so there is only one way to actually tune it on. So only one way, boom, and we're done. Let's get this one out. So I'm just saying this is aftermarket lights, but it's easy. It's easy to install it on the original ones too. So here's the light, and this is what we're installing to. Let's pull out and put this one in a safe place. Only one way, and install it back. This one we cannot test it because it's not grounded, so let's put it back. Only one way, pretty easy. Okay, so I just installed the LED light right here. This is gonna be low, and this yellow old one. High beam. This is high beam and yellow. Low beam, low beam, high, low. Yep, so here's the difference, guys. High, low. Here we go. Let's install this one and make a test ride at night time, of course. Driving with the new lights. We have a nice line. Can we do a high beam? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, so we have a nice line. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Let's see how it looks from outside. Woohoo! Really bright, nice. Nice.